Hey there, drone enthusiasts and tech lovers across the USA. If you're anything like me, you've been glued to every whisper, every rumor, and every leaked image about the future of FPV drones. Today, we're diving deep into something that's got the entire community buzzing, the DJI Avata 3. Set to revolutionize 2026. Picture this: a drone that doesn't just fly. It immerses you in a world of seamless, heart-pounding action like never before. But hold on, because what I'm about to reveal isn't just hype. These are the latest leaks straight from the shadows of DJI's labs. And trust me, once you hear this, you won't be able to stop until we've unpacked every single detail. Let's jump right in and explore why this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. First off, let's set the stage. Remember the DJI Avata 2? That beast came out and turned heads with its compact design, rock-solid stability, and that buttery smooth FPV experience. It made cinematic shots accessible to beginners while giving pros the tools to push boundaries. But let's be real, it's not perfect. Battery life could be longer, low-light performance sometimes falls flat, and in crowded skies, tracking isn't always spot on. Now, imagine if DJI took all those pain points and flipped the script. That's exactly what the leaks are pointing to with the Avata 3. Insiders are whispering about massive upgrades that could make this the most ambitious FPV drone DJI has ever attempted. And the best part? It's tailored for thrill seekers like you. Whether you're ripping through urban landscapes in New York or soaring over the Grand Canyon, one of the biggest teases from these leaks is the potential shift to a 360-degree capture system. Yeah, you heard that right. The Avata 3 might not just be an evolution, it could be the Avata 360 in disguise, blending immersive spherical video with agile, acrobatic flight. Think about it. No more blind spots. You're not just flying. You're enveloped in a full panoramic view that captures every angle without missing a beat. Leaked images show a sleek, redesigned body with what looks like an advanced camera array, possibly dual lenses for pro-level vlogging or action cams. This isn't just for show. It means smoother tracking, enhanced safety features to avoid collisions mid-flip, and footage so vivid it'll feel like you're reliving the flight in VR. But why stop there? Rumors suggest boosted low-light capabilities, perfect for those dusk patrols over LA beaches or nighttime adventures in the Rockies. Now let's talk power. The Avata 2's battery was solid, but leaks hint at the Avata 3 pushing flight times beyond 25 minutes, maybe even hitting 30 with smarter energy management. Imagine chaining together epic runs without constantly swapping packs. That's freedom, right? And the propulsion? Upgraded motors for whisper-quiet operation, faster speeds topping 90 miles per hour, and tighter maneuvers that make freestyle flying feel effortless. If you're into racing or chasing wildlife in national parks, this could be your edge. But here's where it gets juicy: improved AI integration. Sources say DJI's cooking up better object avoidance, auto-follow modes that lock onto subjects like a hawk, and even gesture controls for hands-free fun. Picture summoning your drone back with a wave while you're hiking in Yosemite. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Of course, we can't ignore the goggles. The Avata series has always shone with its immersive headsets, and leaks point to the next-gen goggles N3 or something even wilder. Higher resolution displays, wider field of view, and reduced latency for that zero-delay thrill. If you've ever felt motion sickness from older models, this could fix it with smoother feeds and customizable comfort. And for creators, seamless integration with apps for real-time editing. Turn your raw footage into shareable masterpieces without leaving the field. But wait, what about compatibility? Rumors say it'll play nice with existing RC controllers, but a new RC3 might drop with haptic feedback, giving you vibrations for obstacles or low battery warnings. It's like the drone is talking to you, keeping you locked in the zone. Let's pivot to the camera upgrades because this is where the Avata 3 could dominate. Leaks reveal a potential new sensor bigger, better, with 4K at 120 frames per second for slow MO that captures every droplet in a waterfall chase or every leaf in a forest dive. Dynamic range improvements mean no more washed out skies or dark shadows. Your shots will pop with color and detail, ready for YouTube or Instagram without heavy post-production. And that 360-degree twist, it opens doors to spherical editing, where viewers can pan around your footage interactively. If you're a content creator in the States, This is gold. Think viral TikToks from drone's eye views of Miami nightlife or Seattle's rainy streets. But here's a curveball from the leaks. Pricing and availability. Early whispers put the base model around $428 for battery only.